Flower shops across the metro are gearing up for their biggest holiday of the year, but a winter weather watch in Kansas City has really put a thorn in the delivery plans. I'm Isabella Ladon, and we're hearing from those who are working hard this Valentine's Day. It's pedal to the metal for Tobler's Flowers in KC.
Keep on making, keep on working, grinding away.
But Wednesday morning snowfall kept these pedals indoors. Tobler's had to reschedule all their Wednesday deliveries.
Today was a little too winter heavy, so we were like, let's just call it off, but that's okay. We've been prepping for tomorrow. We're ready to get back out on the roads.
Florists are taking extra precautions to get the flowers out safely for Valentine's Day orders.
It's been challenging, but we make the best of it, and we utilize the time that we have to make sure that we can better prepare for the next coming days when it's super, super busy.
Up in the Northland, Diane Fortner got her deliveries out early, but still ran into trouble on the road.
And this morning, you couldn't even see what lanes were what. They were snowpacked, most of them.
Diane and her husband Steve have owned their floral business since 1985.
He makes the flowers, I do deliveries.
Working out of their home garage, Diane knows the safest routes for neighborhood deliveries, even in bad weather.
I was going slow. People were a little upset with me, but I'd rather get there than to have somebody come get me out of a ditch.
Unlike roses, their love and business has lasted more than 40 years, which is why Diane isn't expecting a bouquet from her husband this Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day, I mean, we see flowers all the time. I'm like, buy me a margarita.
In Kansas City, Isabella Ladon, KSHB 41 News.